As you've probably realized, the last couple of videos have been talking about cryptocurrencies. I am showing you the websites where you deposit about $100 and you will get $10 in free Bitcoin. If this sounds good to you and you don't feel like watching the rest of this video, I've put a link down below in the description where you click on the link, you sign up, you deposit your $100. Um, Sign up today, wait about between 30 and 45 days, and you will get that free $10 in Bitcoin. And then you can start in, and you don't have to wait that amount of time to start investing. But if you do decide to go that route, you will now have $100 in your account of your own money to start investing in this cryptocurrency world. The previous two videos, I've talked about Coinbase and Gemini, and today I'm going to be talking about a site called BlockFi. They allow you, they have a bunch of cool features. They have this where you can earn 8.6%. If you remember in the Gemini account in the last video, you could earn 7.4% on certain coins. Well, with BlockFi, you can earn up to 8.6% annual interest. I believe BlockFi is working on a credit card. Um, yeah, they're working on a credit card where you can earn unlimited 1.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. And if you do start getting into learning about cryptocurrencies, you will hear a bunch of people say, take profits. But if you're curious to know how people are taking profits, they might be using their cryptocurrency to buy things and take profits that way. Um, so ultimately, you can earn even more money back in Bitcoin uh, just by using their credit card, but you have to join the wait list. It's not actually out yet. But anyway, I was going to log into my account and show you um, what I have deposited. I don't keep a lot of my money in these sites anymore. I have since moved most of them out into my hardware wallet, my cold storage wallet, which is called Ledger. I'll put a link down below um, for where I purchased my Ledger. And let's go ahead. I got to enter my Google Authenticator. Okay, so we're heading into BlockFi now, and you'll see my account is at $67. Well, up until about a week ago or so, I had all of my Bitcoin here in BlockFi because with BlockFi you can earn interest, and so this is the total interest that I had earned, and I accrued this amount. So this amount was going to go into the total interest. I still have to wait a little bit of time, but I made $57 in interest just by keeping my 5,000 or so in Bitcoin in BlockFi. So with BlockFi, only offer 5 different coins that you can collect interest on, but these are in the top 100 coins. I'm not quite sure. Pax Gold is one that I haven't really invested in. With these other coins, I've invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Not so much Litecoin, mainly these two coins. And what I've done was I bought the Bitcoin using Coinbase, and then I transferred that money into this account. Once it was in this account, I was then able to earn interest on the money. So I had $5,000 in here, or around $5,000 in Bitcoin. So if we go ahead and look at, where do I go to find that? Let's open up this section here, and so it'll show you how much you can earn per coin. With Bitcoin, you can earn 6% annual yield. With Ethereum, 5.25, Litecoin, 6.5, Chainlink, 5.5. And these are some percentages that you can't get anywhere else. Or you can, but it's just a pain to set it up. So going back to my dashboard, my current value is I'm at $67, and that's because I withdrew everything into my ledger, and I will put a link down below for where you can buy a ledger. And right now I'm going to open up my Ledger account so you can see what I've got in my portfolio. This is the desktop app that's appearing. I have my mobile app, but essentially I've got $8,500 in crypto, and this is what I'm investing in. As I mentioned in a previous video, I bought 96 Cosmos when they were between $8 and $10 or $11 per coin. Now they've doubled, so my initial investment of about $750 is around $22,000. And I did purchase some Ethereum, and I purchased some XRP back in the day when people were saying it was supposed to go to $10 coin, and so I've just been holding on to this for probably the last 2 or 3 years. But ultimately, this is what I've got in my Ledger portfolio. I do have another account with another website that I'll mention in a future video where I have a few $1,000s more of other cryptocurrency assets that aren't supported in this device. But ultimately, the money that I used to have in my BlockFi account is now in my Ledger account. And I'll put a link down below so you can learn more about the Ledger actual device. It's basically this device right here. It's a physical device where you have a passcode and you have like security keys and security keywords, and you can transfer your money into this more secure wallet so that you don't have to worry about some of these websites getting hacked and your money just being gone forever. If you're interested in that, there are links for everything I've talked about in this video below, but hopefully this has given you an idea of how easy it is to earn passive income just from depositing some money into your account and then letting the interest just go up and up and up. In my next video, I'm going to talk to you about another website that I love to use where you can buy and sell crypto. Sorry for that dog bark. He is a puppy and he doesn't know when to keep quiet. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to talk about another exchange and show you exactly what I've got in that account. And hopefully this video has gotten you excited on what you can earn with these different cryptocurrency exchanges, and how you can earn interest on money that's just sitting there, kind of like a bank account, but you earn more money than you would a traditional savings account. Hopefully this video has been helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one.